How to buy Starbucks gift card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Starbucks gift card and search for it. Now click on the very first website option, starbucks.com, open it. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now in this page, you will be able to find tons of gift card options. Just scroll down. You can go through all these gift cards. Now head towards the gift card that you want to purchase. Just open it. Let me choose this one. Once you select the gift card, now you have to select the gift card amount. So click on this drop down and select the gift amount. Now you have to fill this: who are you gifting to, recipient name and recipient email address. Likewise, you can add your personal note and then type in your name and email address. Once you fill all these, you can click on the option of checkout, provide your payment details, and with that you will be good to go. So this way you can easily buy a Starbucks gift card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.